While EUV has crossed the finish line into production, advancement in semiconductor manufacturing is anything but finished. The importance of metrology and inspection has never been higher, and new approaches are needed. We're going to have a conversation about this with Peter Jenkins from Infinitesima, where he's president and CEO. Peter's no stranger to bringing new technologies to market, which is what we're really going to be talking about. This is WeVision. I'm Dan Hutchison. Welcome to the program, Peter.
Thanks, Dan. It's a pleasure to be here. Thank you.
So, you know, it's like a year ago you were going to retire.
That's right. That was the
You
plan.
You left ASML and
Yeah.
then got back home, and then you couldn't help yourself. You got involved in this company. So what was that all about?
Well, you know, we were looking to get back to the UK. I'd been gone for 28 years, all with ASML. And my children are back up in the UK. My parents are there, so we were thinking it's time to move back home after all that time. And then by chance, I got a phone call, actually from a small startup in the UK. I'd been to see about a year or so ago, and they were looking for a CEO to go and do it. My wife said, "There's no way you're ready to retire." So I went across, talked with the team, got to learn a little bit about the technology, and got really excited about it. I think it's a really good team. It's got the right critical mass, and it's a technology that's really coming into its own now. As you know, as EUV goes to market, as you say, it's presenting a number of new challenges for metrology and inspection that I think we may have a good solution for.
Yeah, because the tolerances are incredibly small, right? And then customers want 3D.
Right, exactly. So lateral scaling is you know, reaching somewhat of an end, and there's a clear path now to continue to do that with EUV moving into high volume manufacturing now, High NA making very good progress.